Hello. In this video, we're going to take a look at media pages, what kind of content we can add to a media page, and then we'll take a look at an example of how another teacher has used this to create a very immersive activity for his students. The media page is unique of the Speakable pages that you can add to an activity because it doesn't require students to generate and submit a response. The media page allows you to add content to an activity to create a more immersive experience for students. Now, there is a lot of flexibility in the types of content that you can add here. So we can add images, and this has an automatic link to Google image search so you can quickly pull those in. You can add videos, which also has a link to YouTube to allow you to quickly pull those in. We could add in audio clips, upload documents here, embed podcasts. And you can also use text to speech if you want students to see and hear something. And then we have the different types of text that we can add here. So maybe we'll start with the title. Add some more instructions. And then we can grab a video from YouTube and embed it here. And we can reposition this and make that look nice. Now, if you're having a hard time envisioning how this might be used in an activity, let's take a look at an activity created by a Spanish teacher working with middle schoolers. So what he's done here is added a media page as his very first page of the activity. Now you can see that there's an audio clip here, highlighting phrases that you'll hear in the audio clip, giving us an idea of the sentence structure, and so on. And then throughout the activity, this teacher is referencing this media with open response questions. And so you can see how this can create a really immersive activity where students are actively listening to a clip, trying to understand what Antonio likes to do, and then submitting an answer to it. So there you have it. That's Media Pages, a really flexible tool that allows you to create activities that are super engaging for your students.